Smile and learn.
Hello, everyone. It's me, Feli. And I have a new friend to introduce to you. My friend is just there. Can you call my friend over? My friend's name is P. Come here. P. Say P. One more time. P. Louder. P. Fantastic. Hello, P. My friend P is the first sound in the word pan. We use it to make food. Pan. P. A. Pan. Come on, let's sing.
Feli goes on a scooter ride. She goes far and wide. She goes up, down, in and out. What in the world does she find? What does she find? What does she find? A pan. Pan. Some pasta. Pasta. A pot. Pot. A plant. Plant. A pat. Pat. What does she find? One more time. A pan. Pan. Some pasta. Pasta. A pot. Pot. A plant. Plant. A pat. Pat. Oh, Feli, so fun. Scooting around under the sun. Scooter ride. So fun. Scooting around till the day's done.
Great singing, everyone. Ta-ta for now.
We've learned so much in just one video. Did you know there are many more videos? Imagine how much you could learn. Subscribe to the Smile and Learn educational channel to learn and have fun at the same time.